Welcome to the top best. The best Joule Sous Vide is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets I've ever used. This sleek, compact device has completely transformed the way I cook, allowing me to achieve restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, the Joule offers precise temperature control and a user-friendly app that makes sous vide cooking a breeze. Get ready to elevate your culinary game with this game-changing tool. Number 5. Anova Nano 2.0 Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Tired of overcooked or undercooked food? This device ensures your meals are cooked to perfection. It circulates water at the exact temperature needed, guaranteeing delicious results every time. With a temperature range of 0.92 C and plus 0.1 C accuracy, this cooker offers precise control. You can cook a variety of foods with confidence, knowing the temperature is exact. Explore the world of sous vide cooking. This is perfect for chicken, fish, vegetables, and more. It locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in textures and tastes that are unmatched. This compact device easily fits in any kitchen drawer. The Nano attaches to any pot or container with its fixed clamp. It's made of durable, easy-to-clean plastic. Control your cooking directly from the app or the device itself. For access to more features, a subscription is available. It includes recipes and cooking guides from professional chefs. What we like. This sous vide cooker guarantees perfect results every time. It offers precise temperature control and an app for easy cooking. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly sous vide experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This item is so easy to use and your meat comes out perfect at the temperature you set it at. Packaging reminds me of something Apple would do, elegant and well-designed packaging, yet simplistic. The app does an amazing job of telling you the pros-cons of each setting, allowing you to quickly determine the finished result you wanted. In my case, I stayed generic at 160 degrees for the eggs. Once you choose to start the routine, it immediately starts the device and heating the water, reporting in near real-time the temperature of the water. Once reached, stage 2, add the eggs and it continues a precise timer countdown to completion. Number 4. SOUSVIDE Art Sous Vide Cooker Kit. Tired of overcooked or undercooked meals? This immersion circulator provides consistent, even cooking, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. It locks in all the flavor, nutrients, and tenderness. This kit includes everything you need to start your sous vide journey. It comes with a cooker, vacuum bags, a pump, sealing clips, and even a cookbook. It's all there to help you create restaurant-quality meals at home. The user-friendly controls make it simple to set the time and temperature. Whether you're cooking steaks, chicken, or vegetables, you can achieve perfect results with precision. Keep your kitchen clean with this sous vide machine. The removable tube makes cleaning easy, and it operates ultra-quietly. It's also designed to be stored easily, saving space in your kitchen. Enjoy healthier meals with this machine. You won't need extra oils, and it retains more nutrients in your food. You can create a wide variety of dishes, from tender steaks to juicy vegetables, effortlessly. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start cooking. It includes vacuum bags, a pump, and a cookbook. If you are a beginner or looking for a complete solution, it makes the sous vide process simple and accessible. What people say. Easy to set up and easy use. Made the most amazing ribeyes. The temp stays plus 1 degree as advertised. It is easy to use and the bags that come with it are of good quality. The system to remove the air from the bags is simple and easy to use. Number 3. ChefSteps Joule Sous Vide 1100W. This is the smallest and sleekest sous vide tool available. It's designed with a streamlined white body and finishes. It's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their cooking. Half the size of other sous vide machines, it's incredibly compact. You can easily store it in a top drawer. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. With 1,100 watts of power, it heats water incredibly quickly. This means you can start cooking sooner. It operates on a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. The Joule app features a visual doneness feature, showing exactly how your food cooks. Dinner comes out perfectly, every single time. It takes the guesswork out of cooking. It works with both iPhone and Android devices. You can connect via Bluetooth or cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi. It offers flexibility and convenience. Please note that it works with 120V outlets only. Using voltage transformers or converters can damage the device. Using it outside of North America voids the warranty. What we like. This sous vide tool is the smallest on the market, perfect for saving space. It also heats up incredibly fast, saving you time. If you like a sleek design and quick cooking, you will love it. What people say. I really enjoy the compact size, as compared to other sous vide units, and from what I read the quick heat up time. It took only 11 minutes to heat up 72-degree water to 149 degrees for the chicken breast. Once at that temperature it stayed very consistent, within 0.2 degrees. Amazing. Number 2. Chef Series Digital Sous Vide Bath. This sous vide bath makes it easy to achieve gourmet results. It offers precise temperature control, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. Say goodbye to overcooked food. The LED digital timer display allows for accurate cooking, so you can enjoy perfectly cooked food every time. This sous vide bath is designed to accommodate multiple portions. You can easily cook for your family and guests. The machine offers user-friendly controls for stress-free setup and monitoring. It's designed to make your cooking experience simple and enjoyable. Products invite families to gather together. Enjoy the joy of cooking and eating at home with this sous vide bath. What we like. This sous vide bath is designed for cooking multiple portions. It features user-friendly controls and a digital timer. If you often cook for family or guests, this is a great choice. What people say. This unit maintained consistent temperature throughout the cooking cycle, and the magnetic agitator provided a quiet circulation of the water for the whole cycle. Setting the temperature and cooking time is quick and easy. I have been cooking sous vide for 20 years. What a joy having a self-contained unit as opposed to using stick circulators and plastic bins or pots. Number 1. MOMODA Sous Vide Bags Reusable Vacuum Seal Kit. Introducing the upgraded electric vacuum pump. It's designed for easy and clean air removal, eliminating the hassle of alignment. This makes the sealing process quick and simple. These reusable bags preserve food's nutrients and flavor up to 5 times longer. This helps reduce food waste and saves you money. It's ideal for meal prepping, storage, and sous vide cooking. Cleaning these vacuum food storage bags is a breeze with dish soap and warm water. After cleaning, just store them in a clean, dry place. They are perfect for repeated use in various food storage scenarios. The kit is portable and versatile, including a handheld vacuum pump and bags for all food types. Whether it's snacks or meats, it's perfect for picnics, camping, and travel. It is a great solution for food storage on the go. This complete set includes 2 sizes of sous vide bags, bag clips, zipper clips, and the upgraded electric vacuum pump. Everything you need is included to get started with sous vide cooking and food storage. What we like. This set includes reusable bags and an upgraded electric pump. It's designed to preserve freshness and is perfect for meal prep. If you are looking for a sustainable and convenient way to store and cook food, you should consider this. What people say. The Joule heats up water very quickly. The app is well designed and easy to use. It's small and powerful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.